Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Excel. In this module, I want to show you the quickest way to enter data in Excel. So first of all, in column B, I'm going to type a list which I've already added into Excel. So this is just a list that I use to quickly get some people, and then I'll do some phases across the top. So to 5. Let's say that you've got a few passes and you're just typing it in like this manually, and then as people do these, you're doing pass and things like that. But what you can do, which is really cool, is highlight the area that you want to put pass. Say everybody's past phase 1, you just need to type pass once and then do control and enter, and it will drop it in all of those cells. And let's say everybody failed phase 2, you type the word fail, you do control and enter, and then fail will go in every cell that you select. Now, if you want, you can do this as well. I could highlight all of this because this is just a chunk, but let's say there's some random text in some of these cells like that. There's a couple of fails and a couple of passes. I want to put pending in that space where there is no text. So to do that, I go to home, to the little magnifying glass where it says find and select over on the right. This box comes up. There is an option there to find blanks. So I'll click that. It will highlight all the blanks. So now I can type what I want the word to be in all of that space. So I'll go for pending and then control and enter. We'll drop pending in there like that. Now if I get rid of all of this, and the same principle will work if you highlight a chunk of a spreadsheet and go and insert checkboxes, for example. If I want all of these to be ticked, I can just type the word true, because this is either true or false, and then do control enter, and it will just put a tick in all the boxes. So I could have done that by column. If I want it to be false, I type false and do control and enter, and that takes the tick off. I'll just get rid of those. If I highlight the whole column and just type my name and do control and enter, it will fill in the whole column over 1,000,000 rows of data. If I do control and end, that will take me down to the last row. You can see there the actual number. Control and home will bring me back up to the top, and then I can get rid of that by just highlighting the column and pressing delete. Now in terms of dates or anything that you want to be in the same cell, but I'm going to use dates. The key command for today's date is control and semicolon. Now, if you pull that down with a little black cross in the corner, you're going to get sequential dates like 9, 10th, 11th, etc. If you want that to be the same date, you could do this little black cross, hold your control key down and pull it like that, and that gives you the same date. Or you could do this, highlight the space, do control semicolon, that puts the date in, do control and enter, and that will drop it in all the selected area. So highlighting some area, typing a word and doing control and enter is a very quick way of getting the same word into multiple cells at the same time. So hopefully this little video has been of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.